In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money using Nano Banana. We'll create a striking AI image, turn it into a short video, and then monetize it across popular platforms with a simple, repeatable workflow. First, open Google Gemini. This is where you'll generate your base image. In the chat, write a creative prompt. You can copy a prompt idea or craft your own. For example, create a hyper-realistic glass banana, apple, carrot, and pear on a marble table. Make it yours by adding a unique twist. Specify colors, lighting, camera angle, or even the mood. The more precise and visual your language, the better the output tends to be. Click Generate to let the AI apply the style. Review what comes back. If it's close but not perfect, refine your prompt with small adjustments like soft morning light, shallow depth of field, or high contrast reflections, and generate again. Once you're happy, download the image. Save it in a dedicated folder so it's easy to find later and keep the highest resolution available for best results. Next, head to Google's AI Studio and open the VO3 interface. If you don't see it immediately, a quick search for AI Studio VO3 will bring it up. Click VO3, then Get Started. Choose Generate Media and select VO. This is where you'll transform your static image into an eye-catching video. Generate your video from the image you just created. Use a prompt like, create a cinematic, hyper-realistic video of a glass apple being sliced in slow motion with ASMR sound. If the interface allows, include your downloaded image as a reference for consistent style. Press enter and wait about 1 to 2 minutes. Preview the result, and when you're satisfied, download the video. Now it's time to publish. Upload your video to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels. Short, visually striking clips like these tend to capture attention quickly, and consistency helps your reach. Turn views into income by enrolling in programs such as YouTube ad revenue, TikTok creator rewards, or Facebook Reels bonuses. Keep your posting schedule regular and evolve your prompts to stand out. To boost earnings, add affiliate marketing. Visit platforms like OfferVault or ClickBank and choose products that match your audience. Think stress relief, sleep aids, or relaxation items if your visuals are soothing and glassy. Place your affiliate links in captions, pinned comments, or video descriptions, and mention them clearly in your posts. Finally, publish and repeat. Keep creating fresh visuals, test different prompts and affiliate offers, and post consistently. The more quality content you put out, the better your chances of building reliable, AI-powered income over time.